Hey guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel and happy new year. So I received two beautiful blue spruces as Christmas presents. Both of them are called baby blue, that is the variety, and it has been so cold outside the past few weeks. I didn't have a chance to plant anything, and today we have a beautiful sunny day. The soil is not frozen, so I can finally get these in the ground. This is the fertilizer I will use today for these beauties here. It says it on the box that it is rich in phosphor, which will help the roots grow over the winter, and it will also create deposits for next spring, which is really nice. And it is a special fertilizer for evergreens, so it's exactly what I need. I really love these blue branches, you guys. I'm so happy with these trees. So this is one, and there's the other one, and it will create a really nice frame with the tamarix in the middle. This one's a little bit smaller and the leaves are a little bit darker, but I'm sure once it gets used to the garden, it will turn really blue. Also, it has two main branches, which is really exciting. So for reference, there is where the house is and the pathway, and back there is the pond. And these three trees, the two blue spruces and tamarix in the middle, they will create a really nice frame for this entire zone. Thank you a lot for watching this video, you guys, and see you in the next one.